What growth environment have you set for yourself? Tell me one thing. Do you have a systematic growth roadmap? Today, 9 to 5, you earn your living. 5 to 12, you earn your dreams. Hobbies, I'll tell you one interesting word. Hobbies are for poor people. Write it down. I know some of you will get hurted right now. Hobbies are for poor people. Successful people follow their passion. They don't do any hobbies. I don't have any hobbies. The moment I started reading these books and understanding success principle, I do not waste my time on hobbies anymore. You need a mentoring program that sets you apart from others. You need a place where others are ahead of you. So let me tell you, if you are the topper of your class, change your class. People need one reason. Write it down. It's an interesting line, not in your notes. People need one reason to start following you, but they need many reasons to keep following you. If you want to lead others, you cannot afford to stop growing yourself. And don't teach out of yesterday. Don't teach out of yesterday. Teach out of today. Have you seen people that talk about yesterday? Our past was like this, our childhood was like this, our previous company was like this. Man, come on. Enough is enough. Let's talk about now and future. How long will you stay in past? Second point, don't teach out of what you learned. Teach out of what you're learning. That's very important. What you learn. Don't teach out of what you have done. Teach out of what you are doing. What an interesting line. Every day you should be gulping. Most people wake up yawning to grow. So 95% people have good intention. In your notes, write down good intention. But they do not have intentional living. Again, either you sit on the table or you are in the menu. If you don't design your life, you will definitely be in somebody's agenda and somebody else will design your life. Choice is yours. Point number one, keep growing in your life. Why? Because growth is the only guarantee that tomorrow will get better. Here's the line which I'm going to use right now. Yesterday ended last night. Write it down. Yesterday ended last night is so the most important. Your success today, in your fill in the blanks, it is success today, is detriment for your success tomorrow. Because all you want to do is celebrate. Keep distractions out of your life. Point number 3 is keep distractions out of your life. Say no to the good things so that you can say yes to the best. I repeat, 5, you're just 5 people away from your maximum potential. Who are those 5 people? Your closest friends, your relatives. Let me tell you, your closest friends, your relatives, and your colleagues, and some of your other friends with whom you associate on a daily basis. Because 90% of them may not be growing in life. And to become better in your life, you have to become a river, not a reservoir. Very, very important. So this